Bonjour, je m'appelle Homa. Aujourd'hui, je voudrais vous présenter mon projet final. Hello, this is Homa. Today, I'm gonna present my final project, Anik Expedition board game. This is the logo of my project. In this presentation, I would describe my project and then I will discuss about the game element and process. And then I will go through the advantages of the board game and the material are used for making that. Then I will finish my project with the creation and implementation procedure and the future plan. Anik Expedition board game project aims to provide a comprehensive learning experience for the children, focusing on cognitive, language, social, emotional, and physical development. The game is a captivating scientific exploration into the realm of Quebec animal life in an engaging format. Anik Expedition not only enhance children overall development, but also foster critical skills such as communication, teamwork, cooperation, and social skills. The project in general is tailored for the children aged 4 to 5 years old in Quebec early childhood education settings, specifically designed for the children aged 4 to 5 years old at CPE YMCA at Viator Street in Montreal. This game contains several elements, including a dice, two-player token, a seasonal clock, six bonus card, the cards, and the table boards. The cards and the card includes 4 series of instruction cards, including action, quiz, sounds, and name cards. The sounds card requires the children make the sound of an animals. The name card requires the children to name the name of the animal in either French or English or both. The action card requires the children to mimic the movement of an animal, and the quiz card asks a question with regard to an animal. The board contains an overroot including 30 cells. The cells indicate either sounds, action, quiz, or name card symbols. Some cells also indicate timer symbols. There is a seasonal clock timer in the middle of the oval. The children for doing this game, each player needs to pick up one of the animal player token. There are 2 animal players token, a squirrel and a raccoon. They take turn to roll the dice and move their token on the route. When the players land their token on a cell, they need to perform the challenges asked by the respective instruction card. The game will finish either the player win all the bonus cards or the time runs on. In fact, the 2 players cooperate with other to win the game. They are playing against the time. Project creation and implementation procedure. In order to make my project, I went through some steps. First of all, I did a comprehensive research to make the graphics and the mechanism of my board game. Then I make a prototype of my project and test it with a small number of the children in the daycare. And after that, after the observation and receiving feedback, I modified and refined my prototype to make the final version of the project. And then I embark on implementing the project in the daycare. For implementing the project, I cooperated with the educator in the room, in the 4 to 5 years old room, and provided her with the instruction and guide of how she can implement the game in the class. I provided 2 versions of guide in French and English for the parent, but unfortunately, as I made just 1 version of the board game, I didn't find the opportunity to implement this project at homes. And the project are very advantages in terms of environmental values, educational values, environmental sustainability, cultural relevance, and inclusivity. These projects applies several make use of several theories. It is based on a play-based approach. It features vibrant visuals, interactive component, and age-appropriate challenges. The game includes playful elements like dice, animal themed cards, and token to ensure the enjoyable learning experience for the children. This game also emphasizes the holistic development of the children, catering to cognitive, physical, language, social, and emotional developmental aspect of the children. This game also is parallel with the active learning. The children actively engage in the game to learn. It is a hand-on game supporting the idea of experiential learning, which is essential for the development of the young children. This game also enhances social interaction. The interactive nature of the game enhances critical skills such as communication, team working, and problem solving. Um, this project has environmental sustainability. This board game was made of some kind of dense foam, a kind of eco-friendly material to minimize environmental impact during the production and disposal. The material I used are reusable and durable, which in turn reduce the needs for the frequent replacement and minimizing the overall environmental impact. Also, the game incorporate an environmental theme about Quebec animals, which promote environmental awareness and connection to nature, empowering players to become advocate to sustainable practice. For making this game, I also consider Quebec culture and inclusivity. The activity and theme within this game are about the realm of local animals of Quebec. This approach enhances the children's sense of identity, belonging, and appreciation to the unique environment of Quebec. Also, in terms of inclusivity, the game features pictograms and symbols to communicate with the children, allowing them to engage the game with both French and English languages, regardless of their proficiency level. It fosters inclusivity and honoring Quebec linguistic diversities. Although I tried hard to make a perfect and impeccable project, but when I consider my project, I can see some drawbacks. First of all, effort to use eco-friendly material for the board game may pose challenges related to availability, cost, and quality. The foam utilized for the game board is non-foldable, which present practical challenges in terms of storage and transportation. Moreover, the expensive associated with the manufacturing the game in the significant quantity could be excessive. All these factors should be carefully addressed to ensure the game's accessibility and feasibility for widespread use. For the future plan of my project, I would like to continue implementing this project for the children 4 to 5 years old, and also based on the to receive feedback from the educator, parent, and player, and I will continue to refine and enhance my project based on the feedback I will receive. And also, I would like to improve feasibility and accessibility of my project by addressing the challenges of the project, such as material sourcing and production cost. In future, I would like to explore partnership with educational institution and organization and distributor for the widespread use of the board game at home and in early childhood education setting in Quebec province. Thank you for your attention, enfants. Merci d'avoir écouté ma présentation. Je suis disponible pour répondre à vos questions.